Petrify. It means to make someone so frightened that they are unable to move or think. Example: the sight of the massive spider petrified me. I couldn't even move. Nostalgic. It means having a longing for the past, often for a period or place with happy personal associations. Example: looking at these old photos makes me feel so nostalgic about my childhood. Pensive. Means deeply thoughtful, often with a tinge of sadness. Example: she sat by the window, pensive, thinking about the decisions she had to make. Serenade. Means to entertain someone with music, usually a song sung or played for a lover. Example: he serenaded her with a love song on her birthday. Tantrum. Means an uncontrolled outburst of anger and frustration, typically in a young child. Example: the little boy threw a tantrum when his mom wouldn't buy him candy. Spoiled. Means having bad behavior due to being given everything one wants, often used to describe children. Example: the spoiled child refused to eat anything but ice cream for dinner. Repent. Means to feel or express sincere regret or remorse about one's wrongdoing or sin. Example: he repented for his mistakes and sought forgiveness. Cripple. Means to cause severe damage or harm to something, making it function poorly or not at all. Example: the storm crippled the town's power grid, leaving many without electricity. Insidious. Means proceeding in a gradual, subtle way, but with harmful effects. Example: the disease was insidious, taking years to show any symptoms. Clandestine. Means kept secret or done secretively, especially because it is illicit. Example: they held clandestine meetings to discuss the plan. Nefarious. Means wicked or criminal. Example: the nefarious plot was uncovered just in time to stop the villain. Quell. Means to put an end to something, typically by the use of force. Example: the leader's speech helped to quell the unrest among the people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.